Hello guys, welcome to the Wealthy Life. If you are watching this video, I'm sure you are committed to earning more. I'm sure you've tried to raise your income. You are committed to earning more in diverse ways. But you might have been frustrated because you've not had a breakthrough till now. But I promise you, today I'm going to show you how you can earn more with the principle that I've gotten from my mentors, Jim Rohn and Anthony Robbins. This principle has remained effective and has been used by thousands of people and have produced results everywhere. My friend, it's not what happened to you that is a major determinant of how your future will be. It's what you do about it. If you will do something different with the same circumstance that applies to everyone else, you will get different results. Everything you have right now, you have attracted by the person you have become. The reason why a laborer might collect 10,000 in a month is because he has attracted it by becoming a laborer. But it shouldn't be so. You don't have to remain there. Just like my mentor Jim Rohn will say, if you will change, everything else will change for you. So to earn more, you have to become more. So why do we get paid? Why do we get paid? We get paid for adding value to the marketplace. We get paid for bringing value into the labor market. And it takes time to bring value to the labor market. It takes time to bring value to the marketplace. But we don't get paid for time. No one ever gets paid for time. We get paid for value. That's why someone can work for an hour, give a speech, and will earn 1 million. Why someone can work 24 hours and will earn just 1,000. So we don't get paid for the time, but the value we bring into that time. So you might ask, is it possible to earn twice as much money, to earn twice as much in the same time? And the answer is, of course. If you become twice as valuable, you earn twice as much. If you become more valuable in 10 times, you earn 10 times of your income. You earn 10 times of your income. In 2013, the highest income earner was David Tepper. Made 3.5 billion in personalized income. And I ask you, will a company or a firm pay a person 3.5 billion in a year? Of course. If it brings 300 billion in that year, that's change. That's change. So why would a minimum wage earner earn 18,000 in a month? It's because the person is not that valuable in the marketplace. And I use in the marketplace. The person might be valuable to the family. It might be very valuable to the church. It might be very valuable to the community. But in the marketplace, it might not be as valuable. And the fact about the marketplace is, the more valuable you are, the more you earn. The more you are paid. The more you are paid. So you might be saying, Williams, you are telling me to become more valuable. So how can I become more valuable? And that's a good question. I would like to tell you a story of a Korean teacher. His name is Kim Ki-hoon. He earns about $4 million per year. It seems absurd. How can someone earn $4 million in a year? But he did this by working on himself more than he works on his job. Working harder on himself more than he works on his job. Just like my mentor will say, Jim Rohn will say, if you work harder on your job, you earn a living. But if you work harder on yourself, you can earn a fortune. So you might be asking, how can I work on myself more than I work on the job? How can I work harder on myself than the job? It's simple. By increasing your skill, improve your skill, develop new skill, develop new IT skill, improve your communication skill, improve your attitude, change your philosophy, improve your philosophy, improve your discipline, become more disciplined, add more sales skill, be able to sell so much. The reason why so many people don't earn at all is because they are not given anything. You have to sell to gain money. You have to sell. You must be selling something. Even if you are working in a place, you are selling yourself. You must sell something. You must learn how to sell. And the best thing you can sell is yourself. So improve your skill. Improve your skill. And another way, we can also become more valuable is to increase and unleash our creativity and become obsessed with adding so much value than anyone else to as many people as possible. Economics is a game of number. You might ask, how is Bill Gates the richest man in the world? If everyone owns a Microsoft laptop and he makes a profit of $1 per person in a year, there are more than 7 billion people in the world. Every year will make more than $7 billion. And we know it's more than this. So you have to find a way to add so much value than anyone else to as many people as possible. To as many people as possible. I found a way to do this by learning as a civil engineer, to do structural design in various ways. I learned to do steel design, to design in numerous ways at the shortest possible time. Then I found a way to get across to as many architects as possible, because you have to get across to more people. Then also, I learned to become an investor. You might have that skill. You might be making beats. You think it's just, a passion. But you can add value with this. Find a way to become so good at it and to get across to as many people. Even while you are a banker, you can still be doing this. So you find a way to become obsessed with adding so much value. You sit down, and think, how many ways can I add value, than anyone else, and how can I get it across to as many people as possible. We have the internet today. Some people, we have Facebook, we have Twitter, we have Instagram. Some people just use this to while away time, but we can use this to add more value. So we can become more valuable by working on ourselves. Become obsessed to do more. Become obsessed to give more, and you will earn more. So I tell you today, make a commitment to work harder on yourself than the job. Make a commitment to unleash your creativity, to become obsessed with adding so much value than anyone else at the shortest possible time to as many people as possible. Make a commitment to change your life. Make a commitment not to remain the same. Make a commitment not to let circumstances determine how much you earn. Diversify. Earn so much from not just that job, but find a way to add more value in different ways. Open that restaurant that that has been in your mind. Start that business, and you will find ways to add so much value than anyone else, and then you will earn more. If you've learned, which I know you have, and you have been blessed, please like and comment below and subscribe. Next 2 weeks we are going to be talking of, now that we are earning more, how to invest. There's a saying that you can't, by Anthony Robbins, you can't earn your way to financial freedom. You only invest your way to financial freedom.